Hello. And today I've got a cool friend, Noah.
Hello?
Hello. All the way from Denmark,
Yeah,
visiting with your mum,
yeah, it was like a gift I got.
and you've been practicing because you knew I was going to get you to come and do a chili test.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we're going to do a few since he's over here. We'll start off with something mild, although the other night he had a bit of a chocolate scorpion and that was pretty hectic, so I'm not going to kill you. No. Okay, what we have is from Turkey, the Maras Biber. Maras Biber is a chili native to south central region of Turkey near the Syrian border. It's known for its rich, complex, slightly sweet flavour. In Turkey, they are used in cooking whole or chopped up, but mostly they are sun-dried, preserved with oils and salt, and used as a seasoning with meats like lamb. Awesome. Hold those, please, sir. The plants, well, these are around, this one's about 60 or so centimetres tall. It's still growing, so they could probably get up to near a metre or so. Pods, about 7 or so centimetres long, a bit over 7 to 8, about 2 wide. The skin feels a bit plasticky.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Like a prop or something.
Yeah, like one of them plastic milk cartons, you know, it's thin plastic and you push it and it moves. Like that's a dry one, feel that one. It almost feels like one of them, like a fake plastic chili.
It also sounds like one.
I know. What? Don't worry about it. All good. So put the fake plastic one away, and we'll have a crack and see what the Maras Biber is like. Cheers. It's a bit sweet.
Yeah.
And it's got a tang. Oh, sorry. It's got like a tang to it. It's not really fruity. It's not really capsicum-y like. Sweet with a tang. What do you get?
It's a bit like pepper fruit. What do you call it?
Like what?
The pepper fruit of what is you mostly use to.
Like paprika?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, burn. Right around the back section, right in the back of the throat. Top palate. I'm getting nearly a slight apple. The tang's changed and it's like this really light, a really light apple-ish kind of flavour.
It will taste the hot in the tongue.
It's not hot on the tongue?
Yeah, for me it is.
It is? What about the back of the throat?
Yeah, also there.
I originally got it on the back of the all around the whole back section. Now my tongue is picking up a bit. They're really nice. Medium heat. Like it's got a decent oomph, but it's not like an over oomph, but it's really deep.
Yeah.
Not sharp and
yeah.
stingy, yeah? That's really nice. And a really good burn. I like that one. The burn is sort of you can't really feel it moving forward, but now like behind the top of my teeth, on the top palate, all up the top of my mouth's burning, my tongue's burning, the back of the throat's sort of, I don't know whether it's settled down or the rest of the mouth's picked up, yeah? And it's just the whole mouth just has this really nice little glow in it. What's happening with you?
It's mostly the tongue and like here.
Tongue in the back of the throat?
Yeah.
But it's okay, it's not killer?
No, it's not killer chili.
Oh, that's excellent. Well done.
I don't need milk or anything to it, but I can taste the heat.
Yeah. That would be, if we were eating, that's like the perfect level for most dishes you'd eat. Like,
Yeah.
yes, you can make it super hot and deadly, but just that level going along like that is really, really nice. And the flavour, we love it. Alright. Shall we give it a few minutes? Because I normally have a break for a few minutes and see how long this burn goes.
We can do that.
We can do that?
Yeah.
Alright. So, we shall be back and we'll let you know how it's gone heat travel wise. Catch us all soon. Hello, and we're back 5 minutes later. Noah and the Maras Biber. How'd you go?
So it was not like really strong, but I could taste the hotness this strong, and now it's still there.
Yeah.
Not as much like before, but it's still there.
Yeah.
Same places.
But it's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice and warming, even though it's 40 degrees outside.
Yeah.
But yeah, I got exactly the same thing. It cruised along, and then during the break, it's just slowly dropped. But now, I can still taste the flavour, and the burn is sort of still there, but it's not caning like it was before. Now it's just cruising along nicely. These are really excellent. Great producer, and yeah. And as we went out in the break, everyone else in the place has gone, "Ooh, let us try it." So we picked a few, and yeah, they're all in agreement. Great chili. Excellent. Thanks so much for doing that. Thanks everyone for watching. Get into these, and I reckon we'll do another video or two.
Yeah.
While you're here. Yeah.
I'm ready for it.
Me too. All right. Catch us all later.